Hey everyone, Patrick Langhans here at Cross Country Mortgage. It's your weekly mortgage update. Monday, rates dropped pretty significantly, down to about 6.25 according to Mortgage News Daily, and those rates held steady the entire week. As of this morning, Friday, we're still holding right around 6.25%. The Fed meets next week. Everyone is expecting them to lower rates. That's already been priced into the numbers. So if they weren't to lower rates, that's where we would see a huge market reaction. It may be more about what they say after the meeting and they announce the lower rates that impacts more rate movement more than anything else. So the words they use after their meeting will probably have the biggest impact on where rates go from here. The rates have come down recently, mainly due to lower job numbers, so lower added jobs and higher unemployment. So that's bringing interest rates down. Everybody's predicting that the Fed will drop rates next week, so that's already baked into the numbers we see today. And also remember, the Federal Reserve lowering the Fed funds rate does not directly lower mortgage rates. So you got to keep that in mind. The last time they lowered rates, mortgage rates went up about 1%. Now, I hope that doesn't happen this time, but I can't predict the future. We'll see what happens. Again, it'll probably be more about what they say after the meeting than them actually lowering the rates, because everyone's expecting that. Event I have coming up. It's all on saving money on your federal tax returns. So my personal tax advisor will be presenting. He specializes in helping people save money on their taxes through real estate. So through purchasing investment properties, owning investment properties, managing investment properties, that can save you quite a bit of money on your federal taxes. So any high income earners should definitely come to this that are W-2'd especially, because you don't get a ton of write-offs when you're W-2'd, or any real estate professionals or investors. He's gonna go through all the write-offs you can get when you own investment properties, what that means to you and your bottom line, how to do the tax returns, how to manage the properties, and I'll cover a little bit about the different financing options available to people who want to invest in real estate. So that's on September 24th, 1 p.m. It's a Zoom call, so it should be nice and easy to attend. Take a little later lunch, hop on, and see what he has to say. Lastly, if you have been told by another lender, I need you to give me a call. We have been saving deals left and right with our in-house non-QM and expanded programs. They're basically like portfolio loans. So loans that we can make sense that this client qualifies for the loan, as opposed to following all the rules by Fannie, Freddie, FHA, and VA. So these loan programs are outside the box of what the agencies demand. So we can do make sense loans. We just saved one on a $2.4 million purchase that was declined by another lender. Got it done in about 2 weeks. Everybody's happy. So if you're told no by another lender, give us a call. If you have a client that was told no by another lender, give me a call. We'll see if we can save their deal for them. Hope you have a great weekend. We are around to help with any last-second clients who need a pre-approval. Or if you need me to call a listing agent, run some numbers, you know how to reach me. We're here to help. I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll talk soon.